So now what we're going to do is use this clip and put it on like this and have it go across. You can even do this 2 times for added measure. And then we're going to get our Sous Vide art pump and put it on this hole. Now, as you can see, there is air in there, but watch what's going to happen once we start pumping it. And there you go. It is all pumped out. You see that? Perfect. And now we're going to close up the potatoes. We're going to use this tool and run it across, just like that. And I like to do it 2 times just to be safe. And then we're going to put the Sous Vide pump on that circle. And as you can see, there's a lot of air in there. But once we start pumping, all the air is going to be gone. When it starts becoming difficult and you can tell that all the air has dissipated, then you're done. And look at that. Perfect. Now, the reason why we have to suck out all the air out is if there's air inside it, it's going to float in the boiling water. But this way, the weight of the food is going to sink it down in the water. And then you just use this clip and attach it to your pot.